So I'm sure we've all seen a TikTok reel or video online just like this.
Come on, get off. Excuse me?
Yes.
How you doing? What's your name? I didn't mean to interrupt you. What's your name?
Genesis.
He came up to you because I thought you looked good. I checked Instagram or number.
What?
Get off.
Why? It's not your car.
What you mean it's not my car? This is the key. Get off. Come on. You're tripping, man.
Where are you going?
What you mean where I'm going?
Why are you leaving?
I'm leaving. I'm going home.
Why?
So the age-old question is, does having a supercar get you more girls? We're about to get into that today, guys. First things first, but let's get into it. So, as I was saying, again, for anyone who does not think the C8 is a supercar, tell me in the comment section, because it is. First of all, what's going on, guys? I hope you all are having a blessed day. I hope you all got new jobs, new opportunities, new clients. You got paid today or got paid recently. Now let's get into the video. Does owning a supercar or a nicer car or a better than the top of than average type of car get you more girls or get you more women or get you more ladies or chicks? Whatever you want to call them. Oh, I just want to add one more thing too, guys. If a girl knows you have a nicer car, if she's aware of that, oh, best believe she's gonna want you to pick her up all the time. She is that ride. She needs to get scooped up. It doesn't matter if she also has a gun car too. No, she wants to be in your car. She wants to be passenger princess. Nothing wrong with that, but that is just what it is. So if you have no social skills, you're not good looking, you can't talk to girls, if you can't get girls without the car, it's kind of looking slow for you, you know what I mean? So having a nicer car will not directly in relation get you more women, but it will get you more opportunities for sure. Whether this goes just beyond women too, this is also for business too. People will actually want to talk to you more. They'll be more open to talking to you or doing business with you, or even like I said, not on a date with you, right? But it does not directly in relation deal for you. The girl's not gonna sleep with you just because you have a nicer car. No, that's not how it works, right? Was maybe already interested in you had a good personality or anything like that, and then plus you have a nice car, do it, right? Definitely do it for sure. And they're gonna look because you have a nice car. They're gonna look and they're gonna, if it's bright, if it's a nice color, whatever the case is, they're gonna, obviously people notice that you can't run away from that, right? But are they just directly gonna just sleep with you or go out with you or whatever? No. That's not really how it works. That's not, well, it will not seal the deal for you. But let me be honest. I really want to be honest with you guys because I don't want to sugarcoat anything. I don't want to cap. I don't want to be like that. I want to be totally honest. Having a nicer car, you're men, right? And we're supposed to feel whole whether we have $1 in our accounts or $1 million in our accounts, right? Anything else in life, even materialistic things, even money, it all carries energy. It carries a weight to it, it carries energy, and the truth is, you as a man, you might feel a lot more confident because you have a nicer car. And that in return might seal the deal for you, right? Because now you're exuding more confidence, you carry yourself differently, you feel better about yourself. All those things matter and all those things carry weight. So it's not the car directly, it's really just you directly feel better about yourself and you act better, you dress better, you smell better, you talk differently, all the above. Not the car directly, it's really just more so you. And I want to say another thing too. If a girl's coming to you because you have a nicer car or a nice car, she's not coming to you for good reason or for good intention. It's not a great thing. You don't even want someone to like you because you have a nicer car. You want someone to want you and to like you because of your personality, who you are, without the materialistic things, without the money, without fame. You want someone to want you for you, right? And I was mentioning earlier, is it easier for me to bag a girl? Because has it been easier for me to bag women ever since I have gotten my car? Yeah, it has been, for sure. It is a lot easier. I'm not gonna sit here and cap to you guys or act like it doesn't matter. Oh, it definitely has an effect. It definitely matters, for sure. But I'm trying to tell you that it's not in direct relation, not just because of the car, it's also other things in life too, you know what I mean? So you have the car, do things get easier? Do networking, is that easier? Is talking to a girl, could that be easier? Yeah, that could be. For people who aren't really as confident with themselves naturally, not saying you should rely on materialistic things, but I'm just trying to say that it has an effect. For anyone who's telling you that you're not going to be more confident when you have a nicer car versus before you had a nicer car, they're capping. It's total lies. It has an effect. You're going to feel nicer pulling up in a Ferrari or in a Lamborghini than if you're pulling up in a Honda Civic. That is just how it is. There's a reason why those cars cost so much. You know what I mean? For anyone trying to sit there and be like, it doesn't matter. What matters? For sure. It makes a difference. I'll tell you one time, right? I went to go pick up this girl for a date, and the first thing she sees in person is a nice car. Well, almost like her what to expect out of you. If I would have pulled up in the Honda, it's different. And I just want to say, she better be happy that I pulled up in the C8. She better not take it for granted, first of all, because that's a big thing. But anyways, it does have an effect. Might not be directly, but it does have an effect. Having a nicer car, having a nicer vehicle, having a supercar, whatever you want to call it or say, it makes a big difference for sure. To sit here and act like it doesn't, but will it get you get more girls? No. A girl's not gonna swipe on you or talk to you just because you have a nice car. Other people have nice cars, so it's not anything super special. But can it help you on sealing the deal or bagging her? Yeah, for a night. You might for a night, but that's not why she's staying with you. You're not gonna keep a woman. A woman's not gonna stay with you because you have 10 cars. I'm sorry to tell you, buddy. She might pique her interest for a night. If you don't have good game, if you can't speak, if you're not confident, if you don't have that aura, it's not gonna do much for you. It's not gonna help you keep a woman. I just have to say that to you guys. And I've had this car for a year and a half, right? And yeah, as I was saying, I've had this car for a year and a half, and has it made a bigger difference in my life? I would say so. I would think this car has had a bigger difference in my life. Now, it hasn't made my life, but it does have a bigger impact in how you carry yourself and how you do anything, any and everything. I don't want to make it seem it doesn't matter, because it does, but at the same time, it's not everything. As a man, you should feel whole, and if you're a man or you're a woman and you're trying to attract the other partner, it's not going to make someone you. Like, you're ugly, you don't take care of yourself, your breath stinks, you smell like no one cares what if you have a Lamborghini or a Bugatti. Sorry to tell you. No one gives a crap. But if you have a nicer car, that's when it really matters. So please do not think that you're about to get you a C8 and then all the biddies, all the girls, all the chicks are going to come down and chase your ass. No, that's not how it works. That's not going to happen for you. You got to already feel whole, and you got to already have all your stuff together. You have to have money, savings, emergency fund, good credit, a good job or a good business. You have to have other things going for you. And then have a nicer car. There's just has more, just outweighing. You have more than someone else might have, right? I don't want to make it seem like more materialistic things is better, because that's not true. That doesn't make a man. That doesn't make a person, right? You have to, like I said before, you have to already be whole and have all your stuff together going on before, right? It's not going to fix all your life problems. I'm so sorry to tell you. If anything, it might just bring you more, right? But you have to be ready for that, right? So, like I was saying before, and I was to be super honest and upfront with you guys, I had plenty of girls who know I had it, but then when I pulled up, it more attraction. Again, I'm not trying to make it seem like that is all there is to or something, but if you're an attractive guy, you're getting girls, and other women can tell that you're comfortable getting other girls, it'll boost. And just a little boost. It's like going on Tinder or Hinge and pressing the boost button. You know what I mean? That's all there is to it. It's not make it or break it. I'll be so honest. It's not. But that's my experience. It helps, but it's not everything there is to the man. Just to summarize, it helps, but it's not everything. To already be whole, you have to already feel good about yourself and exude that confidence and that charm, right? You can't not be able to stand on your own 2 feet and you want to have a four-wheeler, you know what I mean? Let's cover the basics first, right? Let's look at other things first. So anyone who is in a specific financial situation, or they don't have their credit right, or they don't have theirs together, please understand that having a supercar will not directly help you just get more girls or get more biddies or women or attract the opposite sex. But will it help you?